Now what I'd like to do is show you how to use SPSS to do a related or paired samples t-test. The context for this study is that a superintendent decided that she wanted to increase her school's collective efficacy. And one of the things that she thought might do this based on attendance at a research conference was implementing professional learning communities, because she learned that if a school has higher perceptions of collective efficacy, students usually have higher achievement. So the research question we want to look at is, will teachers working in professional learning communities increase their collective efficacy? And so we have a group of collective efficacy scores. So she collected collective efficacy scores prior to implementing PLCs, and then 2 years later collected scores to see if there was a significant increase in that 2 years. So I've entered this data into SPSS, and this is what it looks like here, before and after. And so to do the related or paired samples t-test, we go to Analyze, Compare Means, and Paired Samples t-test. Now in this case, what we want to do is I would put in after first and then before second, because if you subtract a larger number from a smaller number, then you end up getting a positive difference. It doesn't always work out that way, but in this case it'll make the interpretation easier. And so then we just click on OK. And these are the results. And so you can see that the mean after implementation of PLCs was 44.6, and before PLCs was 29.58. And we see that the mean difference was 15 points on average per teacher who rated the collective efficacy for the school. Our T ratio is 4.874, and we see that this result is highly significant. So this 15-point mean difference between implementation after the implementation of PLCs in terms of teachers' perceived collective efficacy is significantly higher than before PLCs were implemented.